This is a Math to the People video tutorial.
Hi, I'm Telyn. I'm a college-level math teacher, and today I'm going to be talking about solving limit problems. Oftentimes, the way that limits are taught in calculus class does a respectable job of showing students how to solve each type of limit problem. The problem is that oftentimes it's not explained how to tell which type of limit problem you're dealing with. I'm going to focus today's tutorial on just that. I'm going to teach you all how to tell which type of limit problem you're dealing with using my plug-in table.
My plug-in table is called a plug-in table because it allows you to tell what type of problem you're dealing with by simply plugging a number into a formula. For example, if we have the limit as x goes to 4 of x squared minus 8x plus 16 over x squared plus x minus 20, what we're going to do is we're going to take this 4 here and we're going to plug it into that formula, basically replacing all the x's with 4's. So we get 4 squared minus 8 times 4 plus 16 over 4 squared plus 4 minus 20. Now if we calculate what this is, 4 squared minus 8 times 4 is minus 32 plus 16 gives you 0. If we calculate what the bottom is, 4 squared is 16, plus 4 is 20, minus 20 gives you 0. This 0 over 0 here is what's going to tell you what type of limit problem we're dealing with. In this situation, this is a factorization problem, and the idea is you're going to solve the limit by factorizing the top and the bottom. And the reason we know it's a factorization problem has to do with the fact that we've got this 0 over 0 here. If we didn't have a 0 over 0, we wouldn't factor it. So here's my plug-in table. As you can see, the first column of this plug-in table gives you 7 different cases, which is what I've divided up the limit problems into. There's 7 different situations that come up, and each one of them requires a different strategy to deal with. These cases are not exhaustive. There are some limit problems which fall outside of them, but 99% of the limit problems that you will come up with do fall into one of these 7 cases. The second column here tells you how to tell what case you're in. So just to mention in these formulas, this number sign symbol means any non-zero number. So either something is 0 or infinity or a non-zero number. So for example, if you plugged in and you got like 2 over 0, that would tell you you'd be in case number 4. The third column here tells you what the limit could be. In the first 4 cases, you can actually see what the limit is more or less from which case you're in. In 5, 6, and 7, as I mentioned here, the limit could be anything. In fact, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to do these steps over here to figure out what the limit is. So the fourth column here is telling you what you have to do in order to find the limit. So in some situations you know what the limit is right off the bat. In some situations you have to do some extra work. So that's how you use this limit table. The rest of this tutorial is going to be to go over each of these cases one by one and explain how it works. And at this point in time, I'm going to give you a choice as to which case to do next. I have videos for each of the 7 cases. In order to pick which case you want to do, I want you to click on one of the 7 buttons that are about to pop up in a few seconds. Good luck!